Hakadosh Boker Or Mishna Yomi Masechet Batra Perek Tet Chapter 9 Mishnah Aleph Met 1 and 2. Mi shemet v'iniach banim ubanot. Somebody that dies and he left over boys and girls. Bizman shanechasim rubim. If there's going to be a lot of properties, habanim yirushu. So the banim they get the inheritance. Habanot yazunu, and then the girls they're going to get parnasah from the properties. Nechasim muatim. But if there's only going to be very very few properties, habanot yazunu, vabanim yishalo b'tachim. So then the daughters they get to eat, and then the boys have to go ask for tzedakah. Admon Omer. Admon comes and he says, Bishvil shani zachar isati. Well, right, only because I'm a boy I lost out. What's going on there? Meaning, why should the sons have to come and kilu start asking for tzedakah and the girls get everything? Okay, so he wants to say that no, they're really be'emet if it's large enough, right, to support all the children until the daughters become of age. So then all the children, sons and daughters alike, they receive equal portion, right, in the eating. And if there's nothing left, then then fine. Amar Rabbi Gamliel says, Gamliel, Roeh ani et avrei Admon. The words of Admon, they appear to me. Yeah, even though he comes and he says, right, that the words of Admon appear to me. Mishnah Bet, number 2. Iniach banim ubanot v'tumtum. What happens if you left a boy, a girl, and a tumtum? Tumtum means you don't know the gender of the child. If there's going to be a lot of nechasim, then the boys they push him to the nekavot. Why? Say maybe you're a girl. Nechasim muatim. If there's a little bit of properties. So then they're going to push him by the males, right? Because each one they're pushing him to the other one, right? So he says, "Haomer." If a person comes and he says, "Im teled ishti zachari tol maneh," right? This is also very similar. Person comes and he says, "If my wife is going to give birth to a boy, right, he should have a maneh, right, as a gift, right?" So what happens? Yalda zachar no maneh. If it's a boy, he gets the maneh. Nekeva matayim. If he says for 200 for a girl, yalda nekeva matayim. Im zachar maneh nekeva matayim. V'yalda zachar u'nekeva, boys and a girl, twins. Zachar takes 100, and nekeva takes 200. Yalda tumtum, but if it was a tumtum, he doesn't take anything. Right? Why? Because we don't know what it is. Is it a boy or a girl? So you don't know. So you don't take anything. So imamar, but if he says kol mashet anything what my wife gives birth to, that you should take. So then he does take. Why? Because he said anything. So that's anything. We don't know what it is. We don't have to know what it is. If he's the only inheritor, meaning there's no other children, obviously he's going to inherit everything because a tumtum is still a child. The only question is it a boy or a girl?